In this video, we will go over shipping international with FedEx. From this screen, click on Shipping in the left sidebar. From the shipping page, you have an option to select a ship from address, which is the customer's address. You also can create a ship from address and then select a destination address. For this example, we will select an address from the database. Select Canada, then OK. The fields are populated down here as seen. The next step is to configure notification options. Select Configure Notifications options. From the screen, you can select a recipient and a third party. You have the option to select all shipping creations, all events, delivery attempts for the shipper, recipient, or a third party. To exit if not entering any information, select Cancel. Next, put the package on the scale and get the weight. Select Package Type. Go to the FedEx tab and select FedEx Envelope. Click OK. Notice the FedEx envelope situated on the top right, meaning that is the option selected. The next option is to select a service. Once you click on the service, the system is going to try to validate the address to make sure it is correct. This is the entered address, and this is the corrected address from the post office. Use the corrected address. Once the address is selected, you're going to have an option to select price and exactly how you want to get it there. For this example, we're going to select the cheapest one. On the top, it's going to give you an option to select contract rate or the retail rate. Since we have FedEx selected to use contract rate, it will select this option. If you have FedEx selected to use the retail rate, you will select this option. After we select this one, press OK. Next, you have an option to modify extra services. If you want to select Modify Extra Services, you can click on Modify Extra Services. If an option is selected, press OK. If no option is selected, you can just cancel out. Another thing that you want to keep in mind is the billing and ship date sections. Click on the ship dates to select the date to ship the package. For billing, click on the billing option. It's going to give you an option of who will pay for the shipping, the sender or someone else. Then, move to the next section of the screen. You don't need to select accounts as it is not a required field. The green text box allows you to select a required field. While it is not required, you can select one if need be. The next field is the reference fields. You can type in anything to denote the transaction. After this, you must create a customs form. Anytime you're shipping international, you must create a customs form. On the customs form, you must declare exactly what's being shipped to the destination. Click Select the contents type. In this case, you can select whatever pertains to this transaction. Then, press Select Action if undeliverable, which gives you the options to abandon or return to senders. All these fields in green must be filled in. After everything is filled in, select Save. The next step is to process the shipment and customs forms. This will process the shipment and give you a label. Then, it will process the customs forms and print it to a separate printer that can be put into the package.